Let's go, guys. Team R for you. Well, we're back again, back in the garage, and what we're doing this time around is nice, easy job. I've got a BMW 1 Series here, 116. Check my review out on the BMW 1 Series, especially on the 116. Well, we're gonna gloss over that, right? This one's all right, nothing wrong with this one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change the oil filter housing, okay? The culprit is the oil filter housing seal, okay? We're going to change the seal on it, but if you want to change the oil filter housing, exactly same job. If you want to change the seal only, same job as well. So yeah, it's here, it's down there. That's the one we're going to change. And yeah, freezing cold and everything. Let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, there's the oil filter housing, this one here, right, there's the seal, the culprit where it's leaking from, as you can see there. I'm not making it up, you can see that. It's exactly the same job. If you want, just say for instance, this is cracked, you want to change this, is exactly the same job. We're going to do same procedure. When we change this over, you should change the seal as well at the same time. So we're not going to change this over, this is all good. We're just going to change the seal over, and hopefully that should cure it. What we're going to do first, we're going to come to this side, straight up, engine bay. We're going to take this one off, okay, and we're going to take this one off here, okay, take them two off, there. Lift this one off, take this off basically, and then will give us more room. We don't really need to, but it'll just give us a little bit more room. That's off, guys. All it is, them two little screws, one here like I showed you guys, and just lift off, it comes straight off. Take it off that side as well. As you can see there, we've got more access now, no messing about, straight in. The next job for us is we're going to take the oil filter off, okay, oil filter cap off, that is. Reason being is, I mean, once we get the new seal on, bolt it up and everything, and if you try taking it off there, you might disturb the seal and things like that. So what we do is we take the oil filter off here. I've got the oil filter everything ready there, the oil's there as well, all ready and everything. So what we do is we take this oil filter cap off. That way, I mean, to take these off, they're a little bit of a headache. If you don't have the right correct tool for it, the right cap for it, they are a little bit of a headache to take off. So it's either you've got the cap for it, or you get the strap, okay, and just take that off, and that's it. We'll go from there. Okay guys, sit rep. The thing is, Raul TV, Team R for UL here, we haven't got the cap for this oil filter. We did have it, I can't find it in the garage somewhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it off with the strap, oil filter strap there, take it off with that. But the thing is, it keeps on sliding off because there's not a deep neck there, okay. So we're going to use some ingenuity, sandpaper. We're going to get the sandpaper in there like that, right, another piece on this side, then put the strap over it. Hopefully the sandpaper will grip it and it will take it off. I wish I could demonstrate this, but I've got nobody else to hold the camera. So right, I'm going to do that. 1 minute. Right, I can't take it off because and I've got the camera in one hand, I'm holding it with the other hand. So we're going to take it off like this. We've got the strap on it. Yeah, I put a bit of sandpaper there so it grips it onto the plastic, and we're going to take it off this way. I just can't demonstrate because obviously I need to get both hands on it. So that's the idea. Basically we're going to do it like that, and yeah, that's it. Okay, that is hand tight now. I've cracked it, so that's ready to come off. What we're going to do now is we're going to try taking this off. 3 bolts on it basically. 1, 2, and you can just make it out another one right there. All 10 millis. Take them 3 off, and I think that's about it. That housing should come straight off, no messing. Let's do it. Right, these 2 bolts are off, this one and this one. The one that's down there, along the side there, just make it out there. This one here, I can't get a socket on that. So we're going to get a spanner, 10mm spanner onto that. Hopefully that's it, that should come straight off. So we should easily get the 10mm spanner on there. If you can just make it out, I'm on it there. So I can't really show you guys. So we get the 10mm in there. That's it, that's that one off. Right, we've got the 3 bolts off, guys. One here, and the awkward one, which is down there. We've took that one off as well. So this filter housing should come straight off. There we have it, there's the culprit, the seal. We're going to go ahead and replace that seal. Give that a clean out there. Right, so that's the seal there. All we do is just take that one off. Make sure you clean it nicely. Give it a little sanding down if you want to. Clean it up, brake cleaner. And we'll get the new seal on. Bang it on. Okay guys, there we have it, nice and clean. If you want, you can give it more cleaning out. I think that's about enough, that's right. Got the seal back on. You can't really get it wrong, the seal. It only goes one way. Yeah, seal back on. Don't put... I see guys out there, I see mechanics out there, the new seal, and they put more gasket seal around it and everything. You don't have to, you don't need to, and I think you shouldn't, right? Because with this brand new seal, it will do its job. Because let's face it, when it comes out from the factory, it doesn't have any gasket seal on it. It just has the seal there. We've got the seal on there. Happy days. Let's get it on. Let's bang it on, and yeah, let's finish the job off. All right, guys, there we have it. We've got the oil filter housing, everything back on. I've got the bolts back on, as you can see, not tight, hand tight, and it's obviously when you're going to put it back on, you're going to get a bit of oil spillage, everything. Make sure you clean that up. Now let's get these bolts back on. As for the one on the inside, we have to get that with the spanner and tighten that up with the spanner, because I can't really get the ratchet and everything in there. So spanner for the inside, them two we can tighten up with the ratchet. The one inside, spanner. Let's go. Okay guys, I've got the oil filter housing back on, the seals back on, cleaned up and everything. We're gonna take that off. Just cleaned it up, I don't want to get oil all over the show. Replace the filter seals. There's the filter, there's that one. After that we'll send it up, drop the oil, put new oil in it, and that's it, job done, happy days. Right guys, there we have it. Oil filter is back on, oil filter housing is back on. What all left to do now is I'm going to send it up, I'm going to drain the oil, put new oil in it, fresh oil in it, and that's it. Hopefully it won't leak, and that's how we replace the oil filter housing seal, that is, on the BMW 1 Series, the 116, yeah, 1.6 litre. If you want to change the oil filter housing itself, just say if it's cracked, exactly same procedure, same way, and that's it, dead easy. 3 bolts basically, 3 bolts. Don't forget to put the air filter back on, well, not the air filter but the intake pipe back on, and that's it. All I'm going to say guys is, nice easy job. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you guys. If it helps you, if it didn't help you out with this job, I'm sorry, right? I'm trying my best. And yeah, and I'll see you guys soon.